Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry is Easy for You. So, today we are going to discuss the CUSET PG Chemistry Entrance Exam 2019 Part A solutions. So, I have taken a few questions which you might find difficult and have given the answers to that question. And let's see what happens in this. So the first question here is that boy from the town was a dash in the sleepy village, and you have four different options: dog out of herd, sheep from the heap, fish out of water, and bird from the flock. Here I have marked the answer in red color. The answer is fish out of the water. So most of the cases in this part A, what you have to do is you should try to understand what is the meaning of the question. So here what they are basically trying to say is that the boy, he is from town and now he is in a village, so he is not fitting into the village. So a fish lives in water, and if it is out of water it cannot live. That is the same case that they are mentioning here. The boy came from town and he feels like he is a fish out of the water in the sleepy village. Okay, so that is clear. You should always go for the whole sentence first, read it twice or thrice, and then understand the total meaning and go forward to the answering of the question. Here you can see all the other options are meaningless. Dog out of herd. We never say dog out of herd or sheep from the heap. Bird from the flock doesn't make any sense here. Here we should have a phrase which describes that the boy is not feeling uh, very appropriate in this particular group where he is now. That is, he is a town boy and he cannot live in the village very nicely. So that is what they are meaning here. That's it. Now the second question is advice is A. So option A verb, option B noun, adjective, both verb and noun. So advice, the spelling is VICE. So VICE, it is a noun. So advice is actually here it means an opinion or a suggestion. And advice, when the word is with VISE, it becomes a verb. Advice with an S in it means to give an opinion. That is the action of giving an opinion. So verb is an action word, as we have learned in our school times. So ADVISE, that advice is to give an the action of giving an opinion. And when it is VICE, like that is in the question, it is a suggestion or an opinion. That is a noun. So that's about the second question. Now we'll go to the third question. So here the next question is select the most suitable antonym for the word crude. So antonym means we should have the opposite of the word. So here the word crude. What is the meaning of crude? Crude is something that is not processed or in an initial state. That is, it is not much organized. It is not in the very good form. So cruel is definitely not the opposite of that word. Then sophisticated, definitely that will be the answer, because sophisticated is something that is very much processed and in a good form. Crude is in a raw form or a initial state, and sophisticated is much more developed state of something. So definitely the antonym of the word crude is sophisticated. So I have observed a few things in the part A of CUSET exam. So in the general awareness part, all the English part consists of questions like antonyms, synonyms, completing the sentences, and so on. And if you people need any help in that part, please ask me in the comment section below, because I have seen that they are taking it in the model of GATE exam general awareness part, and so I can share a few questions and certain points from the English part for those who find difficult to attend the questions from the English and general awareness part. Okay. So next, the next question is we have to choose an most appropriate preposition to complete the sentence. He is a traitor dash the country. So the answer here is to. So what you have to be familiar is there are certain words along with which certain preposition comes in most of the cases. Like here I have given. He is that is acquaintance with, blame for, care of, longing for, victim of. So these kinds of answers, these kinds of questions will be, these kinds of words will come with certain prepositions all the time. So like he said traitor to, acquaintance with, blame for, care of. So you have to be familiar with these words so that you can identify it very quickly and not spend much time thinking about the answer. So I'll be posting some of those in Facebook. And if any of you are not using Facebook or not following our page, please give me a mail. I can send you the same. I'll not do it in the very next day, but in 2-3 days, I'll be trying to make some notes for the English part of the QCET exam. Next, the question is 5. It is select the suitable synonym for the word panacea. So, synonym is something, a word which has similar meaning to the word that is given. So, for the word synonym for the word panacea, panacea actually it means cure to all the things. That is, it is something that can cure any disease or any problem is cured. So that particular is the meaning of the word given word. So wonder is definitely not the answer. So we have all heard about elixir. So elixir is something that can cure every diseases, and it is a cure to everything. So definitely the meaning for the given word, the suitable synonym, that is the meaning, same meaning, the word having same meaning would be elixir. Now next question. Select the pair which shows the same relationship as polymer cell. So coin, money, food, wheat, fiber, plastic. These are definitely not the answer. Chain link is the answer here. So uh, polymer cell, as far as I understood from this, they are trying to find the smaller unit of the given part. So the relationship is one bigger unit and the smaller unit. So chain, it will be link in chain links. Okay, so that is the relationship here, and so the answer would be chain link. And the next question is select the most suitable synonym for the word simulate. So we know what synonym means. Synonym means the word which is having similar meaning to the given word. So here simulations or simulate actually means to mimic or to recreate something that is already there. So simulation means mimicking or uh, trying to make the same thing. So here accumulate is definitely not the word, and smile, it is nowhere near the meaning, and gamble is definitely not the word. So pretend is like we are trying to pretend means we are trying to make similar thing, like I have said, mimic what that actually exists. So that itself is the meaning of the word simulate. Now in the next question, choose the most appropriate pair of words from the options given below to complete the sentence. She could not dash the thought of dash the election to her bitter rival. So definitely the thing is she cannot carry the thought of losing the election to her bitter rival. So here two confusions occur. One, to understand which losing should we have. So LOOSING, that means loose fitting, or it is not tighten and loosening. That is the meaning of the double O. And losing is not having something. Definitely that losing, LOSING, would be the second word here. And the first word should be BEAR or BARE. That will be our next doubt. So BARE actually means not covered, or that sometimes bare, the book is bare, or anything. Bare means it is not covered. And BEAR, bare, means to carry. So here it will be she could not carry the thought of not winning the election. So that means she could not bear the thought of losing the election to her bitter rival. So this bear is the one that we have to use here, and the word losing will be here, the second blank. And the next question, choose the most appropriate phrase. Once again, we have to complete the sentence. The aircraft dash take off as soon as its flight plan was filled. So here what we have to see is we have to read the whole sentence first. We can see here the next part of the sentence, the last part of sentence, use the word was. So definitely it will not be a present tense, that is allowed to, and in the future will be allowed to will not be the answer. And since it is was filed here, definitely our answer also will be was allowed to. You have to always read, as I have said in the last year, when before the exam also, when I had solved the questions of part A, I had told you to read the sentence fully and see if there are any other words or verbs that can give you the tense of the sentence. So here, since there is was filed here, the answer would definitely be was allowed to. The aircraft was allowed to take off as soon as its flight plan was filed. And now the next question. 10th question here is select the most suitable antonym to haphazard. So haphazard actually means randomly arranged or without an order. Haphazard, the word meaning. So definitely what will be the antonym? What is antonym? Antonym means a word which has a meaning opposite to the given word. So the answer would be option C, orderly. Even zigzag means the same as haphazard, so definitely orderly would be the word which is having the same meaning as the opposite meaning as haphazard. Cumbersome actually means difficult, and concocted means to create something or put together something. That is definitely not here. Here haphazard means randomly arranged, so the opposite word would be orderly arranged. Next question is for how many times the hands of a clock are right angles in a day. So I'm not going to work out the whole maths, but the answer here is 44. You can just try to work it out, and if you cannot get the answer, please tell me in the comment section below. I'll solve it for you. So in 12 hours, the hands of the clock comes in right angles at right angles at 22 times. So in a day there are 24 hours. So double the value in 12 hours. That is 22 into 2. It will be 44. So finally, this is something we cannot avoid in general awareness part. These questions repeats every time. That is the relationship questions that will be giving X is the son of Y. Those kinds of question always occur. So what you have to do is, if you are not very aware of working out the math or putting these into equations or making a chart, try to split it from the backside. So here, what is the question? A person who is the husband of my son's sister is my. So what I if I was attending the exam, what I'll do is I'll begin from the last part. So my son's sister would be my daughter. So my son's sister's husband would be my daughter's husband. So that would be my son-in-law. So the option B, son-in-law, would be the answer of this question. So it is my method of solving these questions, but you can devise your own method and complete the answer. So that's all for today. I'll be continue uploading the videos in the coming days also. So thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. And as I